Here we are seeing a dialogue writing. Here is a dialogue between a father and his daughter. So I have to continue the dialogue with at least 5 utterances. So some clues are given. This is asked for your exam part of your dialogue writing. May be asked. Sometimes it comes, but we can't say this exercise is not included because English subject is also not having any blueprint, and both first paper and second paper are joined and it become English. First you see, hi Mary. It has been a very long time since we went on a trip. Let us plan one. Mary, yes dad, I am also longing to go. Why don't we plan one for this weekend? So father is saying we can go for it because it is long time for us. So Mary is saying, yes dad, why don't we plan this weekend? Why don't we plan? Father, sure, tell me, where shall we go? Mary, some place nearby but for at least 2 days. Father, I think we shall go to the reserved forest nearby. Mary, yeah, I have never been to a forest. I have seen a forest only on the TV and movies. The forest is a good choice. Father, okay, if we are going to the forest, we must list out what we should carry with us for 2 days. Mary, I think we should carry suitable clothes. Like what clothes they have to carry, ma? For protection or anything. So, like salwar, their dresses or sweater or jackets, forest area, like that you can say. Father, pack their own dresses also, suitable clothes which will be blankets, cloths making for tent, like that you can add. Next, father, what about the food? Do you have any idea, Mary? Yeah, for food, I suggest some packed food. We can carry bread and butter with jam, like that. It is creative language skill. How you are employing your language skill to check that we are having this dialogue writing, and you can write that. Next, Mary. Father, next what he may ask, ma? So for food they have prepared. So father is reminding them we must take the first aid box with us. It will be helpful in need of emergency, like that. A father have to reply, and Mary, okay dad, let us pack and we can get ready for our trip, like that you have to conclude. This is my example sentences we can apply here for this conversation. If you want to change that, you can use your language skill in the dialogue form. You can write your own language skill. Next we are coming to that reading part. This question here, it is given for bungee jumping. It is an activity that involves jumping from a tall structure while connected to a long elastic cord. The tall structure is usually a fixed object such as a building, bridge or crane, but it is also possible to jump from a movable object such as a hot air balloon or helicopter that has the ability to hover above the ground. So bungee jumping, it is an activity, jumping activity, entertainment activity, somewhat we can say adventurous activity. So thrilling game. The thrill comes from the free falling and the rebound. How they jump, in the same manner they will be rebound also. When the person jumps, the cord stretches and the jumper flies upwards again as the cord recoils and continues to oscillate up and down until all the kinetic energy is dissipated. This physics term you know about kinetic energy, unless it is lost, it is distracted, damaged, until up to that you have to oscillate up and down. It will be in bungee jumping, like that. Jumping heights located in Mohan Chatti village in Rishikesh has been rated as one of the most preferred bungee jumping destinations in India at a height of 83 meters. Australia also we can see this bungee jumping. It is the only place in India where bungee jumping can be done from a fixed platform. This is also India's only fixed platform. Bungee performed from a professional cantilever to separate it from entertainment parks and create instead an extreme adventure zone. So this big paragraph is given for passage comprehension. This may be asked for 8 marks. Maybe not compulsorily. General paragraph will be asked for. Passage comprehension will be asked. The selection of answer is the main important for this exercise. You have to select the perfect answer for the given question. Next, the cantilever platform is built over a rocky cliff overlooking the river Hall, a tributary of river Ganges. Bungee amidst the vastness of nature lends the experience an absolutely breathtaking quality. Jumping Heights is well known for its safety measures and experienced staff. If it costs around rupees 2,500 per jump, a bit expensive, but totally with the experience. The bungee jumping experience has been amidst in the middle of amidst means the astoundingly stunning landscape of Rishikesh. To bungee jumping, one must be at least 12 years and should weigh between 40 to 110. What is the preferred height weight for that? And age limit is also there. So now we can see the question, what is bungee jumping? So now select the answer from here. Bungee jumping is an activity involves from a tall structure while connected to a long elastic cord. It's enough. Can bungee be performed from a movable object? No. Bungee can be performed. Yes or no question, you have to write yes or no. Can be performed from a fixed object. You have to write this answer. So only I am taking time for writing this. Then you have to move this. The tall structure. Come to the answer. You have to add this also. Next, when do you think bungee becomes thrilling? The thrilling comes around free falling and the rebound. So you see the next question also. What is the experience when one falls off the platform? So for third answer, this is enough. For the fourth one, you have to write when the person up to dissipated. Next, where is the minimum age? What is the minimum age? Where is the bungee jumping point located in India? Jumping heights located in Mohanchatti village in India. At a height of this you may write, or you may write bungee heights in Rishikesh is the most preferred bungee jumping destinations in India at a height of 83 meters. You can write that answer also. What is the minimum age to bungee jump? So to bungee jump, minimum he must be, this is the fifth one and this is the sixth one. So the answers must be clear, so that only 4 questions will be asked for this part of 4 into 2, 8 marks. Each question carry 2 marks. So we must be careful in answering the questions, so that our 8 marks will be given to us completely. They will give score. You can score full marks, 8 marks for this part.